A former Turkish diplomat said that China has played a pivotal role in the development of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization and promoting global prosperity. Guru Geza, also a foreign policy advisor, made the remarks after the 23rd meeting of the Council of Heads of State of the SCO was held via video on Tuesday.
And I think that is very, very important because the region in itself and the world is going through a turbulent period. And having open dialogue based on mutual respect and mutual trust, I think is especially important nowadays.
As the first intergovernmental organization named after a Chinese city, SCO today stands as a comprehensive regional cooperation organization that covers the largest area and population in the world.
What makes the SCO unique is the understanding set forth in the Shanghai spirit. The concept underlines the importance of mutual trust, mutual advantage, equality, mutual consultations, respect for cultural variety, and aspiration for joint development.
Geza noted that the SCO has successfully transformed itself into a major regional organization thanks to the efforts of China.
And we will see in the future that the SCO will continue to broaden its membership and scope because of this basic understanding that when there are countries that are willing to become members or have an observer status and so on, they know that when they attend these meetings or take part within the cooperation processes of the SCO, they know that their opinion actually counts. And I think this is one of the most important aspects that makes the SCO unique. And China has been really at the forerunner of developing this kind of working relationship with its neighbors and the members of the SCO.